Okay, so for somebody dealing with a lot of pain or fatigue issues, it can be really, really difficult and challenging to do a traditional squat. It puts a lot of pressure on the joints of your knees and your low back. So a traditional squat, I'm gonna show you from the side so you can see here. You're gonna put all your weight on your heels. You're gonna come down as low as you can so you can lift your toes almost off the floor here. Hold, and then lift it up. So as you can see, you feel all of the work in the top of your legs. So that's what we're gonna focus on for the modifications. So I'm gonna show you 3 different modifications you can do depending on where your pain level is or what causes you too much fatigue. So the first modification is you're gonna do a stationary squat. So depending on where your limitations are, you're gonna go down as low as you can. You don't want it to be painful, but come as low as you can and make sure again that you can lift your toes off the floor. I'm gonna show you from the side. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here and you can either pulse, but if that's too challenging for you, this is awesome. Okay, you're just gonna lean forward on those toes, lift your heels up, and then lean back. Lift it up and lean back. Oh my goodness, I already feel it in the quads. So it's like a little rocking chair movement here. Okay, that was challenging. So I'm gonna show you another modification you can do without having to go into an actual squat position. So this one, you're gonna grab a weight if you're feeling good. If you're not feeling good, you don't need to grab a weight, and you're gonna use the support of a chair. Okay, so here you're gonna bring one leg up, you're gonna flex your foot, and you're gonna keep the top of your leg at a 90-degree angle. So your knee should be in alignment with your hip, okay? If you grab the weight, set it just above the top of your knee. You're gonna lift it up and down. Oh yeah, definitely feel this. This is so great if you have pain in your knee joint. Because look, you're not moving that joint at all. That's it. Now, if you have hip flexor pain, you're gonna notice that this one's challenging. So I'm gonna show you another modification for that. So you're gonna grab your chair again. Actually, I'm gonna show you from the side. And if you're feeling really good, again, you can keep that weight or both weights. You're gonna set over just the top of your knees. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. You're gonna lift that leg out so it's straight and it's in alignment with the other leg, okay? You're just gonna squeeze at the top and then drop it down and just tap your toe on the floor. Don't rest it on the floor because that will take all the tension out of the movement. So just tap your toe on the floor and squeeze. So this is like a quadricep extension like you see in the gyms. Those machines, right? So this is a lot easier if you have hip flexor pain to do that one. All of those 3 different modifications will kill your quadriceps and make you build muscle a lot faster. So try those out.